Hey there, curious minds. Have you ever wondered what would happen if we wiped out every mosquito on Earth? It's a fascinating thought experiment that could lead to some surprising conclusions. Stick around because today we're diving into that very question. We'll explore the potential benefits and the possible downsides of a mosquito-free world. First off, did you know that mosquitoes are the deadliest creatures on our planet? These tiny insects have a massive impact on human health. Yeah, you heard me right. These tiny bloodsuckers cause nearly 1 million deaths each year by spreading diseases like malaria, yellow fever, and dengue fever. They are a significant public health concern. Imagine saving all those lives. Sounds pretty great, right? The elimination of mosquitoes could drastically reduce the burden of these diseases. Now, let's talk numbers. There are around 7 trillion mosquitoes globally. That's an almost unimaginable number of these pesky insects. That's a lot of pests, and they're not just annoying, they're a real threat to our health and well-being. And thanks to global warming, their habitats are expanding. This means more people are at risk of mosquito-borne diseases than ever before. So what's the game plan for getting rid of them? Scientists are exploring various methods to control and reduce mosquito populations. One solution? Genetically modified mosquitoes. This innovative approach could be a game changer in the fight against mosquito-borne diseases. Scientists are working on releasing male mosquitoes that can't reproduce, which would slowly shrink the population over time. It's a targeted and potentially effective strategy. It's a long-term play, but hey, it's something. The hope is that this method will lead to a significant reduction in mosquito populations. So, what would a mosquito-free world look like? Let's paint a picture of this hypothetical scenario. For starters, millions of lives would be saved every year. The reduction in disease transmission would be a monumental public health victory. No more itchy bites when you're trying to enjoy a summer evening. Outdoor activities would be so much more pleasant without the constant buzzing and biting. And even livestock would be safer from mosquito-borne illnesses. This could have positive implications for agriculture and food security. But hold on, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are potential downsides to consider as well. Mosquitoes are a vital food source for some birds, frogs, and other insect-eating critters. Their disappearance could disrupt local ecosystems. Sure, they'd probably adapt, but it's a big change. The loss of a primary food source could have cascading effects throughout the food chain. Plus, some mosquitoes help with pollination. Although they're not the main players in that game, their role in the ecosystem is more complex than we might think. And then there's the wild card, unforeseen ecological consequences. The removal of an entire species could have ripple effects we can't predict. Eliminating an entire species could have ripple effects we can't predict. The balance of ecosystems is delicate and complex. Plus, believe it or not, mosquitoes might help protect parts of the Amazon rainforest by making it tough for humans to deforest certain areas. Their presence can act as a natural deterrent. And here's a controversial thought. What if mosquitoes are a form of population control? It's a provocative idea that adds another layer to the debate. Without them, human populations could grow even faster. It's a mind-bender, right? The implications of such growth could be far-reaching. So, is a world without mosquitoes a dream or a disaster? It's a complex question with no easy answers. The potential benefits and risks are both significant and must be carefully weighed. It's a complex question with no easy answers, but one thing's for sure, thinking about it opens up a whole new perspective. It challenges us to consider the intricate balance of nature and our place within it. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this dive into the world of mosquitoes, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you next time.